This conference will now be recorded.
Last session we did on Friday, where I was explaining you all the concept of assignment, right? So you could see how the company and company code will get assigns, followed by sales organization, followed by distribution channel, followed by division. Now moving forward, we was trying to work on the assign plant, warehouse, shipping point. There we couldn't see due to system was not responding. We couldn't see the assignment step. So let's see from there. So let me log into the SAP screen. So go back to the IMD screen. So here enterprise structure, assignment, logistics execution, assign warehouse number, plant storage location. New entries, find your plant, GRASIM, search term. Hmm. Still the same issue. Okay. So what we'll do, let me go back to the definition, logistics general, plant, define plant, GRA, GRAP. Okay, I'm selecting my mid. You can find a delete icon over here. I'm deleting my plant. And remember, when you are deleting something which is already connected in many places. See, this plant we have already assigned to the company code. This plant we have already assigned to the sales org distribution. Now I'm coming and deleting because I found an issue. It is not recognizing the storage locations. So sometimes when you're deleting where it is already assigned, after you delete, save it and again recreate with the same name so that wherever you assign, it will get reorganized. The purpose of me deleting is somehow it got dual identities in the backend. So, and there is a conflict, it is not recognizing in one of the step. So that is the purpose. So when you're deleting, please be very careful. You delete your entry only, don't delete somebody else. First point. And whenever you delete, please make a note with what name. And if you want to set up the same, remember you need to set up with the same name. So better you write down somewhere, someplace, and then you delete. GRAP. Okay. Delete. Save it. Continue. New entries. GRAP. That's in plant. Factory calendar 01. Now here, we click on the drop down factory calendar 01, factory calendar German standard. Now, in some servers, I said some people may change the naming. See, for example, 02. This is also German calendar only. Somebody made with some other name. So, if you found with a different name, no worry. Name may change, but the content cannot be changed. So take 01 as it is. Address. So here I say Grasim plant, same India 22. Save it. So let me go and check under materials management for storage locations. GRAP new entries. Now here I say here I made the plant with the same name. So storage locations also should connect. Sometimes it may connect, sometimes it may not. So it is not showing here. So I am remaking it. Better we remake. Done. So my plant is refreshed now. In the plant again I fixed the three storage locations. Fine. Now assign logistics execution. Assign warehouse plant storage location. New entries. GRA P the plant. If I click on the storage location, see now it is showing. Remember, any issue, it can be fixable. It need to be fixable. Okay, so it is all the application which is responding, not responding. So carefully do it. If it is not responding, go back and check or wait for some time and do it. In a worse situation, the way I told. But deletion may not be permittable at every stage. Okay, so that's the final option. When something is not saved properly, sir, I made everything correctly and saved correctly. You might have made, you might have saved, but in the database, at the time of saving, the application, if not responding, then you may get such kind of issue. Fine. Now, warehouse, GRW, then GRAP, GRA2, GRW, GRAP, GRA3, GRW. Okay, so what is the assignment we are doing here? Goods which are manufactured in this plant, organized in this storage location, later organized in this warehouse. So which plant stock is maintainable in which storage location and which is organized in which particular warehouse, that relation we are giving here. Alright, so understand this logic of assignment. So goods which are manufactured in a plant to maintain in a storage location organized in a warehouse. So when you give this three relation, it responds in future as how we have organized here. Okay, so very important assignments, because at the time of product delivery, the stock will be picked up from the warehouse. The warehouse stock is getting updated from where? The warehouse is getting the stock update from storage location, and storage location getting the stock update from the plant. Okay, so that's how all are interrelated. Save it now. Our request continue. Back. Now assign shipping point to plant. Now this screen is little bit different. It is in the old format. In every server, this particular screen in the old format only. So previous versions, all the assignment steps we used to have this format only. But only for shipping point, this format is left. Don't worry. When you get an opportunity in the old version also, you'll be able to work on this format. That's the intention. Okay, done. So give first what you should give here. First you should give your, you should search for your plant. Okay, you should search for your plant here first, to which you are connecting your storage location. So remember this point please. Search for the plant, then connect the storage location to it. So how to find my plant here? We don't have position now. Then how? You'll find a, in some servers you'll find this bifocal lens. In some servers you'll find a binocular lens. So binocular lens or this bifocal lens, both these for search only. Okay. So here if you click, just place the cursor, it will show find. Find, find, find next. So anything you can click on. So find. What to find here? You should find your uh, plant, right? Find your, so here find your plant. What is a plant? I don't remember. So here I just say GR, enter. It shows where all GR related is there. See, or I'll just type just a G here. How many activities are there with G alphabet? Will show all. So what we'll do? We'll give GRASIM, enter. It is showing our plan, because in every description I have been maintained the GRASIM identity. So yeah, if you don't remember the short name, no problem. Just give Grasim. It reads either content of the short name should match, either the content of this Grasim should match. Sir, I given plant. All right. If you just give plant, there are so many plants in the system. Again, you'll get so many. So Grasim is our unique identity, right? So I'm mentioning Grasim as a company identity in every description. That gives you a clarity, that gives a system a clarity of understanding what is your entry made. Double click. So it plays on the top. See here, GASI, and here it is incorrect. It is saying it is not ours. Ignore. This is ours. If the things are not properly assigned, it will show. Select here, click on assign, and here it starts showing all the entries in the all the number of shipping points in the system. Now here we don't have the find key. Here we don't have the search key. You should scroll down slowly, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and find your shipping point. In either shortcut key, Control V. You just type Control V and find out otherwise. So I scroll down. GRSH. Select this corner checkbox and continue. So by putting a check mark, it is selected. You have more than one or two, then select how many you have. See, you can have multiple shipping points assigned to a plant. As a example, here it is shown for the standard here. Okay, continue. We made only one, we are connecting only one. Done. So here you can see our made shipping point is connected to our made plant. Save it. Continue. So that's all about the assignment process. Okay, done. Save it and back. So you could see the assignment part, you could see the definition part. So what all we have defined, we have assigned now. And now the concept of consistency check. See, what is the purpose of consistency check? You all need to understand. Consistency check is all about to check the hierarchy of what we have been made. If anything is missed out, I can reconnect. See, company, when you're implementing SAP into a business process, there will be so many activities, right? When you have so many activities, if you missed out any activity, then how to find out? So Consistency check allows you to check the hierarchy what you made, and if any entries are missed out, it will show the missed out relations, and you can go and fix up those relations. It will be no more shown in the hierarchy. Okay, so watch me, I'm going to show you now. It is exclusively designed for sales and distribution because you have so many dealers, distributors, sales employees, so multiple you'll have, right? So checking is always good. So at sales organization level, every activity you made or not, distributor level you made or not, division level you made or not, office level you made or not, group level, shipping point level, you're given or not, it is giving all the check option because sales and distribution connects to many areas. See, plant it is we are connecting. We are connecting to the plant because from which plant the stock will be sourced. Shipping point also it is connected to the plant, and that plant connected to the sales locations, office, sales group, division, the product line, distributor, the outlets. So you have every activity to be checked. So if you click on this icon, all will be deselected. If you click on this icon, all will be selected. No, sir, I don't want to check all. I want to check limited. So I deselected. Now select only the sales organization level and go. So you can see only the sales organization related assignments if any missed out. Distributor level, you can see only distributor level. Let all be fine. That all be selected. Then continue. Even still, it shows step by step sales organization. These are sales organization to company code, sales organization to division, sales organization to distribution. This all speaks out, right? Now, if I come down, sir, how many it is showing so many, right? Don't worry on that. How many are there in the server? It is showing all the missed relations here. Sales area. Because sales organization play a vital role. It got many things. Okay. So when it is showing so many, it is all what are not properly assigned in the server. It is showing those all. Plant, no plant allocated to shipping point. Plant is not defined for shipping point. No plant allocated. No plant defined for the shipping point. So it is showing all one by one. Now, finally, here what you all need to understand, is it showing anything related to grasim? మీరు అసైన్మెంట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏదన్నా మిస్ చేస్తేనే అవి ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది. మనం అన్ని ఎంట్రీస్ ఇక్కడ చేసి చూపించదు. ఇక్కడ see no address is maintained for the sales organization GCL3. It is not our made. If it is grasim, then okay, you need to go to the sales organization setup and maintain the address. It will no more show over here. సో మనం చేసిన ఎంట్రీస్ ఏవైతే మిస్ చేసినామో ఆ మిస్డ్ ఎంట్రీనే ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది. మనం అన్ని కరెక్ట్గా చేస్తే మన ఎంట్రీస్ ఏవి ఇక్కడ రావు. So here it is not showing anything related to Grasim here because what all we have been made, all was correctly assigned. Sir, if I make a mistake, how can I correct? For example, think, say, I'll show some entry so that you will understand. Think no company code is maintained for the sales organization ZD01. Okay. So remember ZD01 sales organization. So assignment, sales and distribution, click on position, find ZD01. Here no company code is there. If you maintain some company code and save, it will not show in that list. Okay, for example, I'll give 1000 here. If it is somebody's, when you are signing, you just remove the standard and give your made. Done. Back. Close this. Execute. See, no company code is maintained for the sales organization. Now it is not giving, it is giving 1, 2, 3, 4 entries only. It is not giving ZD01. Now, okay, since we have assigned this, it is not showing over there. Done. So that's how the consistency check works. And remember, yeah, I see few people text me, sir, I'm practicing. I get a message saying the screen is being locked. Okay, see when you get a screen like this, okay, user sum 203402 is being logged comes up. Okay, so what is this concept? When two people are trying to log into one application, you get this display lock. Sir, I've been, after that I clicked on it and I've been to the screen, but still it is showing the display lock. I'm getting the complete screen in display only. New entries option is not there, you'll say. Yes, when two people are trying to log into one application, you will get the display lock. Display lock is not any issue. Display lock comes only when two people are trying to log into one application. So how to solve it? When you get this display lock screen, what you should do, just you open a new screen, give SM12 T code, that is transaction code, continue, remove your username and give star here. Okay, give star. Just a minute somehow. Yeah, I given star here. Why star? When you give star, it reads all the display logged errors and will display all those logged screen identities. Now you'll find list here. Either you click on that or you click on logged entries on the top, and here also you'll find list. Either you click over here or you click over here. Both mean the same. Both is leading to F8 option only. So list. So it start reading all the logged screen identities and shows. See the server what I'm using, it got 3. Fine. Now again lock entries, delete all. Sometimes in one shot all may get deleted. Sometimes in one shot all may not. Then again you click on lock entries and say delete all. స్క్రీన్ లో ఉన్న అన్ని లాక్ ఎంట్రీస్ డిలీట్ అయ్యేంత వరకు మళ్ళీ 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 చేయండి. जब तक स्क्रीन में सभी एक्टिविटीज जो लॉक एंट्रीज है डिलीट होए तक keep doing clicking on lock entries and deleting all. Now all got deleted. Fine. Close this. Go back once and re-go to the layout where you want to make. Sir, I've deleted the lock entries. I just gone back and again regone. Again I got the lock entry. So this also may happen again. మనం లాక్ ఎంట్రీ డిలీట్ చేసినా మళ్ళీ వచ్చేంతసేపట్లో మళ్ళీ లాక్ అయిపోతుంది. అంటే మీరు లాక్ ఎంట్రీ డిలీట్ చేయంగానే the other guy logged in may get released. In meanwhile, somebody may log in again. Then again you should go and delete. So it's all like traffic. When a traffic jam. ఒక వెహికల్ అడ్డం ముందు తీసినారు మీ వెహికల్లో కూర్చొని స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకటి వచ్చి పెట్టేస్తాడు ఏం చేస్తాం మళ్ళీ అది కూడా తీయాలి ఆ లాజిక్ అంటే ఇది అదే లాజిక్ ఓకే సార్ ఇన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఆల్సో ఎస్ ఇన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఆల్సో it will happen an application which is common which is workable by many consultants in many situations so in that case lock is quite common lock is not an error lock is not an issue when two people are trying to log into one application you'll get this display lock okay so SM12 is a T code remember fine now let me close this just give me a minute please now successfully we could see the completion of the first topic enterprise structure we have seen the definition part we have seen the assignment part we could fix up the issue when I mean when something is not responding and you understood how the display lock also works now I want to see the hierarchy right I want to see the hierarchy so just log out from everything and again freshly log in for a better hassle free execution అంటే ఇష్యూ లేకుండా చూడడానికి సిస్టమ్ రీఫ్రెష్ అవ్వడానికి బేసికలీ when I log out from my user related activities will get refreshed up to certain extent so better you log out and log in freshly from the SAP easy access the main screen here give the T code say just a minute EC01 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 is a transaction code which will take you to the organization object company code view. That means I'm searching, I want to see the hierarchy from my company code level. That is top, right? For example, if you see what is the hierarchy we made, Grasim. So all the activities was set up to the company code here, right? I say company code play a main role the identification of the financial infrastructure. This company code is connected to the company. So when you search for this company code, it will show all the relations what all you maintain for. That's the point what we are going to see now. So see here. What you want to see structure. Click on organization structure. Then navigation, which will show like a data tree what we made. Navigation. Then you get this message. What is it is going to show? Okay, continue. The moment you click on continue, it starts showing so many which are there in the system. So in this, what is our made? Grassing. Where it is somewhere in the list. So click on find here on the top. GRASIM, enter. How many activities are there with Grassroot? Start showing all. I made GRAI represents India. Grasim India Private Limited, my company code. Double click. It plays on the top. Again double click. So here, see, company, under company what you assign? Company code. So root company got connected with the financial body company code. That's relation. And if you see what we made, if you click on this minus mark, all will get minimized. We have set up the Grassip India Private Limited, a company, financial, that is company, and company code represents for that. Production, inventory, warehousing, all leads from plant to storage, storage to warehouse, and sales environment. So company under, we got company code assigned, then the same line coming down. Plant, it got the plant connected, and plant got storage locations maintained, right? Now here, storage locations connected, but it is not showing our warehouse. Now again something gone wrong. We'll see that once again. Now the same plant is connected with the company code, same plant is connected with the distributor, and same plant got the shipping point connected, and the same plant got sales organization also connected, because this plant will source the stock when product getting sold in this sales location. This plant got a shipping point for the transportation. This plant got connected to the distributor, which will store the stock at the outlet. And this plant is a part of this financial operation. Sales organization, if I explore, under this sales organization, you have distributor connected, you have division connected, right? Again, company code is coming down. Sir, why company code is coming down again? You can see at the plant level here it is showing, and again down it is showing. The company code is the identification of the financial operations. From the sales point of view, it is the same name. From the production point of view, it is the same name. So when the same activity is repeating again, because it got a multiple relations. Plant company code connect అయి ఉంది దాని ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ సారీ కంపెనీ కోడ్ ప్లాంట్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంది దాని ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అక్కడి నుంచి కనబడుతుంది. అదే ప్లాంట్ అదే కంపెనీ కోడ్ సేల్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంది దాని ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇక్కడి నుంచి కూడా కనబడుతుంది. So when it is repeating multiple times, because it got multiple relations. Don't get confused on this. Right? Now, sales or distribution division forms sales area. So my all sales areas here. If I just click on explore, this sales area has got connected with an office, and this office managing all the sales areas. Now these sales areas are operatable by the people Mr. John, Mr. Ram. So again you can see the company code is coming in the bottom. Complete setup of the financial operations is this. So a person working for area is managed by an office is assigned the areas, and areas are made individually, sales or distribution division connected, and they are the part of the financial operations, and the shipping point connected to the company code, indirectly and directly connected to the plant, and it got storage location. Now here the warehouse also should come, we have assigned, but it is not responding here. Don't worry, after the screen get refreshed it will be shown, but still let us go and check once whether in the process of assigning, in the process of explanation, sometimes we may miss to save also. I mean to say, in the process of focusing on practicing, things are made correctly and you come out. You may also miss out to save. So always we should not give blame to system. First, let us check the entry got saved or not, whether we might have saved or not. So click on position, find GRAP, our plant. See here, our plant, our storage location, our warehouse, it is connected, but it is not responding over there. Don't worry, after some time, definitely it will respond. So I resave it again, once again, back. Close this. Let's see one time. EC01. Enter. Double click. Plant. Got storage. It is not it. Okay. We'll see again that part. After some time, it may get updated. So that's all about your enterprise structure in terms of defining and in terms of assignment and in terms of consistency check and in terms of viewing the hierarchy. So like this, every day, every session, you get explored with all clear clarity about the concept, about the topic, about the purpose, about doing, and about the execution. So, how in live project we interact, we get the details, we document it, and then how we set up and how we check the same exposure you are experiencing here. And good, I see most of you all working well. Still, some may not started yet. Don't worry. If you have not yet started, at least this is not that late. You can even start now. Go through recording first, prepare your own steps for reference, then refer your return steps to move on for practice. Sir, I'm playing recording in my mobile and I'm practicing in one device, or I'm playing recording in one laptop, and by saying as it is, I'm practicing. You're not operating a Google map to go to some destination. I've reached, I'm done. You're learning. ఒక పాయింట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏమి చూడకుండా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే కేపబిలిటీ మీలో రావాలి. ఏమి చూడకుండా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే కేపబిలిటీ మీలో రావాలి అంటే పర్ఫెక్షన్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రిఫరింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఐఎమ్ స్పీకింగ్ in generally about the subject. You are able to understand very easily. If I speak all bookish definition, then it will be tough for you to understand. So always expression in our words, because this is functional, this is not any programming. Int slash brace ఇస్తేనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ అవుతుందంటే అక్కడ అట్లాగే అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ application is explorable in many situations. Every situation is a requirement. Every requirement is a business process. So I made you understood the business process. I made you understand the application purpose. I shown you how to set up in the system. So everything detailedly step by step you understood. So the more you go through the recordings, the better you get the clarity. The more you are clear, your expression will be in right presentation. So you are here to learn this. Practically, even though if I don't teach, you can learn at least in 1 year. But after that, why we are doing? If you are unable to express, then there is no meaning of that learning. Alright, so do join with the same meeting link. Tomorrow we start freshly with the next topic, understanding of customer master data. So organization master data by now we have done, right? Till now we are done with organization master data. Organization master data, enterprise structure, organization model, organization structure, all been the same. Now Tomorrow, freshly, we are going to start understanding of customer master data. What is customer master data? In what ways it is usable in the companies? That is, when the day-to-day transactions happens in the company, how the customers IDs are created. So when you speak about customer ID, in how many ways they are explorable, what are the various purposes? First, we'll understand domestically tomorrow. I'm going to take some company and I'm going to write that company's requirement, how they want the customer creatable layout. That is Grassins. Some company means Grassins. Or I'll connect to some online company and I'll express the same. See, functionality is same anywhere. You go to a car showroom, your customer details will be taken while creating the customer ID to whom they are selling the car. You go to a mobile store, they'll take your customer details so that they enroll which mobile number with IMA number purchase kind of. Everywhere it is same. You go to Amazon, you come up with your Amazon customer ID so that you can buy something online. So customer ID is creatable in every company. You go to a medical store, your customer ID will be created so that every time you buy, your ID get updates with whatever you buy kind of. So like this, we'll understand this. I'm giving an overview so that you get a clear picture what we're going to start tomorrow. So still in detail on the board, I'm going to write the hierarchy. I'm going to write the customer creation process, how according to the client business, detailedly on the board. Then we move on to the system and we see how to set up it. So tomorrow we're going to start with customer master data. By the time I complete this topic, we may land up in upcoming Monday or sometimes upcoming Tuesday also. So every topic got its own timing. Just by writing your customer master data, what you understand? You got lot of things internally. What all they will see. All right. So thank you all and see you in tomorrow session. I'm going to share the recording in some time. Kindly go through and work on it.